moment is right for healthcare reform, but we also know that there are those who will use the same scare tactics and fear-mongering that's worked in the past about socialized medicine and government takeovers, ration care, bureaucrats.
You add to that this whole question of healthcare and the government option and government involvement. And Americans today are getting more news about what's happening in their government than they've ever gotten before. And Americans are genuinely scared to death. Scared to death.
But, Leader, don't they get even more scared when you got the head of the Republican Party sending out an email that, to challenge the president and Democratic leaders for a socialist power grab? I mean, is that an appropriate conversation? Do you really think the president's a socialist?
Listen.
Socialized medicine.
Socialized healthcare.
Socialized medicine.
Socialism.
Socialism.
Socialist.
Socialized medicine.
Socialism.
Socialist.
This administration would destroy the American healthcare system.
When you begin to look at how much they want to grow government, you can call it whatever you want. But the fact is
what
that
do you call it, though? This
is unsustainable.
That's fine. Do you think the president's a socialist?
No.
Okay, but the head of the Republican Party isn't calling him that.
Listen, I didn't call him that, and I'm not going to call him that.
Well, the stimulus, the omnibus, the budget, it's all one big down payment on a new American socialist experience. It's all one big down payment on a new American socialist experience.
Government takeover of healthcare.
The Washington takeover.
The government takeover.
It is a complete Washington takeover of healthcare.
Healthcare being taken over by the Fed.
Be an unwarranted government takeover.
Irrational.
Ration care.
It's rationing.
Rationing.
Put a Washington-based bureaucrat
Bureaucrats in charge of medical decisions.
to decide whether or not we live.
Government bureaucrats
A Washington bureaucrat.
denying and delaying care.
Washington bureaucrats placed between the people and their doctors.
Socialized medicine.
Socialized healthcare.
Socialized medicine.
Socialism.
Socialism. Socialist. Socialized medicine.
Socialism.
Socialist.
This administration would destroy the American healthcare system.